Kitty Bond.
I've been working so hard, I'm hunting my time. 8 hours for what? Don't tell me what I got. I got a feeling, baby, just time is passing me by. Come on! I tried to tell you, it will if you don't even try. Now I gotta cut from the salvation. Marie, shake for me. Oh, my Lord, come on, let's go. Everybody clap to the beat. You got to turn me around and get your feet on the ground. Now take a hold of the sun. Now I gotta cut through the foundation. Shake for me. Come on! Oh, my Lord. Come on, let's go. You're Caddy, bone, caddy. Caddy, bone, caddy, bone. Caddy, bone, caddy, bone. Caddy, bone, bone. Ow! President.
Wow! Martin, si Kedebon ba yan?
I'm not really sure.
No, because last night, I saw him swimming
Yeah.
in your pool. Akala ko marunong siya mag-swimming. Baka nabigla ka lang at dumating ka dito sa X Factor. Naka-leather pants ka na dong, ha? Wow, ginoo ko.
Nagpapasikat ako para sa iyo.
Ha? Ay, sus, Maria. Okay. Pareho pa rin.
Pareho pa rin, ha?
Pareho pa rin.
Ganun pa rin.
Medyo gumaganda ka na ngayon ng konti. Pero hindi ka pa rin papasa sa akin. Okay.
Alam mo, Kedebon, you always come up with something so entertaining. Ang kanta na to, no, medyo critical ako ngayon dahil ang ganda ng sound natin ngayon. Pero napansin ko dun sa first part, medyo hindi mo natamaan yung mga nota. But you are a natural entertainer, a natural performer. Kaya parang nakabawi ka later on in the song. So that's what I noticed with your performance.
Thank you po. Thank you.
I have to agree with Tito Gary. Yung first mo parang feeling, narinig ko rin yung rehearsal mo eh. Parang alam niya ba yung first verse nung kanta? Parang nahihirapan ka. Pero of course, itatapon ko na yan. I'm gonna talk about your performance. If we're talking about level up, ay ito yun. Everything. You did good.
Thank you po.
Yeah.
Kedebon, you did a great job. Alam mo naman yung mga hindi masyado maganda.
Gumagaling yung anak mo.
Medyo. Kamukha na tayo. Elvis, Kedebon, alam mo yung ibig sabihin ng over-singing. Pag sobrang excited ka, nag-over-sing ka, but you're shining on that stage like you always do. I'm so very proud of you, Kedebon.
Thank you, Dad.
Good job. Thank you, son.
Thank you very much sa ating apat na judges. Kedebon. Kedebon, natural performer ka daw. Ano gusto mong sabihin sa kanila?
Whoa, I can't believe it.
Mga kapamilya, if you couldn't believe ang pagka-level up ni Kedebon ngayon, at kung nagustuhan ninyo ang performance ni Kedebon, just key in, accept space, KED. Voting lines will open at the end of the show. Maraming salamat, Kedebon.
Thank you, Ate Casey.